I'm Paul Brownstein, a family law lawyer here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania in Southampton. You know, people often think all lawyers are alike, and often with not a very good feeling about them. It's partly what you see on television, it's partly from somebody else's bad experience, and it's not a fun thing coming to see a lawyer anyway. Well, all lawyers are not alike in some very important ways. And one way that matters to me is how we treat people who want to come to see us, or at least find out from us, what can I do in this terrible problem I'm having in my life? When you call here, we will always be willing to talk to you and give you some basic information so that you can direct yourself properly and know where you are headed in your very important life problem. I don't think it's appropriate to try to make you come in to see me and not talk to you on the phone, because most people don't have any idea what it is they're even trying to find out. All they know is things are terrible, or they think they're going to become terrible. The other thing is that many lawyers that I'm aware of will charge for initial consultation. And that's understandable. After all, you're taking up the lawyer's time. You're asking the lawyer for their professional assistance and advice, and that's expected. Nevertheless, we never charge for the initial consultation. It's always free with no obligation, and it takes as long as it takes. For that reason, when you come to see me, it's kind of like you're going to have the time to find out what you want to know without worrying it's going to cost me something, and gives you a chance to see if I'm the right guy for you. Because I may be very capable, but if I don't hit you the right way, it's never going to be the right match for either of us. If you think about it a minute, could you imagine how it would strike you if you went to a car dealer and you say, I kind of like that car, can I take it for a test drive? And the agent says, sure, but that's going to cost you. That wouldn't hit you very well. We don't do that, and yet I know lawyers do that. I don't think it's appropriate. And if you do retain me, after we have a lengthy conversation, I will let you know what can we do, and I'll let you know how we plan about going about doing it. I'll quote you what I think it's going to cost you, and I'll put it in black and white. And right on that agreement, I know it because I wrote it myself, it says there is no obligation unless you make a payment. It just confirms the prices. When you come to see Paul Brownstein to see about your legal issues, including family law matters, you know you're in the right place. Because after all, this is a matter of importance to you. And when it really matters, the choice should be simple.